Connecting MYOB to FASSTA Connect allows your extracted invoices to be automatically exported into your MYOB account. To connect to MYOB, you will first need to ensure you have the module selected. In Settings in the sidebar, under the Modules tab, select Choose Modules. Tick the plus box next to MYOB and click Confirm Selection. Your selected modules will display in your sidebar. Select Connection under MYOB and click Connect to MYOB. Simply log into your account, allowing FASSTA Connect access to your company's data and information. Your company account may be secured with an additional login. If so, you will also be prompted to log into the company files with these credentials. Once this connection has been established, FASSTA Connect can do the rest. Export Settings gives you customization options, like exporting the original PDF attachment alongside the data. In Supplier Setup, every mapped business needs to be linked to their corresponding MYOB contact. If you want to set a default expense account for a company, you can select it from the drop-down. If you would rather specify expense accounts for each item, select Choose per item. The autosend option can be enabled to allow FASSTA Connect to automatically send new invoices without user input. Your extracted invoices will display under the Send Invoices tab in the sidebar. To manually send these documents, click View Document under More Options. A list of the extracted data will display to the right of the processed PDF. If a supplier is set to specify expense accounts per item, you can use the drop-down expense option on each line. Once all items have been allocated an expense account, clicking Send to MYOB will export the data directly into your MYOB account. If you wish to access the exported data in MYOB, simply click View in MYOB. The status of your extracted files is highlighted on the right side of each line. To filter these files, use the drop-down above. Any extracted files that require action will display on your dashboard for quick access. Connecting MYOB and setting up autosend can automate your invoicing process and eliminate the need for manual data entry.